Welcome one, welcome all, this is your host Apex Sean, and today we are testing out an IRL live stream on my phone. I don't know if this is going to work out. We might disconnect because it's data. Alright, let's go, come on. And yeah, we're just gonna go on a walk with little baby Frost. No, that's trash. But yeah, we're just testing this out. I never streamed IRL before. I don't know if I should stream like this or if I should stream like this. I don't really know what I'm doing. But yeah. This is the day in the life of Apex. A day in the life of Apex or Sean. Just going on a little walk. I'd like to be able to stream this horizontally, but I don't know exactly how to change those settings. If I do it like this, can you guys see that properly? I don't know. Oh yeah, this is a little back alley I go to. But yeah. But yeah, it's super bright, sunny day. Doing the first IRL stream. And yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Should I do it like this? This is a test. I'm just testing what an IRL stream could be like, because I wanted to stream me building my PC, but I wasn't sure how to do that because I didn't want to move my entire PC setup to the living room, and I don't have enough room in my own room to build a PC. But I'd like to make a PC building stream. I thought that might be fun. So yeah, I was just testing out how it would work streaming on my phone. Surprisingly, the quality right now is better than my DSLR. But yeah. This is the usual spot I go walking in. Yeah, we have the baby boy over here. I always wanted to test this out, trying out my own IRL stream. Again, I have no idea how to stream this. I found out that if I leave my phone, the whole stream disconnects. So like, that's interesting. That's news to me. But I was looking at the VOD, and it was a vertical recording. Now I'm currently streaming horizontally, and yeah, let's see what it looks like. I'm testing out if I can stream horizontally. Let's see how it looks. And yeah, hopefully this is good. With our third or fourth attempt at an IRL stream, every time I leave the app, the stream ends, which is annoying. Let me flip the camera. We still got the baby boy here. We're still walking him. Sorry for the spam. But yeah, I'm gonna test leaving the app and see if the stream continues. Okay, I left the app. Oh! Oh, the stream continues. Huh. So if I leave the app, the stream will continue if I do it on Streamlabs. But if I leave the app when I'm streaming directly on Twitch, then the stream will crash. Interesting. Interesting. That's good to know. No, stay away from those plants. Stupid, like, thorn plants that get stuck to the spur. Interesting. Okay. That's good to know. That's good to know. I don't know why it's like that. It's so bright. Quality's so nice. Wow. But I'm streaming off of data, so who knows how this looks. It probably looks terrible for all I know. But, yeah, it's looking okay. I can't believe this stream is actually still running. Like, if I leave my phone and I'm walking around, you guys still see this, right? Stream's not on hold, right? ABC 1, 2, 3. Let me test that again. Right now, I've been streaming for 2 minutes, and if I look around, it should be like 2:10 by now. Hopefully the stream's not paused. Yeah. Okay, cool. I could leave the app and continue the stream. That's good to know. That's good to know. I don't know why I was not able to do that with Twitch. But yeah, I'm doing it, guys. I'm an IRL streamer. Wow. I didn't think I could pull it off. This is crazy. I'm an IRL streamer. Wow. I don't really know what to say now. Okay, so I should be able to do a PC building stream. That should work out in my favor. Okay. You know, that should be Gucci. We'll be able to build the Sonic PC live to my 0 viewers that got horribly spammed. Oh, we have 1 viewer. Hello, 1 viewer. Welcome to my first IRL stream. Sorry for the spam. I tested this out like 4 different times. But yeah, we're doing an IRL vlog. Walking and talking. I don't even know where the chat is on my phone. But, yeah. PC building stream should be good to go. What happens if I stream like this? What changes? Oh, what's up? Vertical. Wowee. Vertical stream. Does that change on Twitch? Is it a vertical stream now? Pretty blue skies. Yeah, let's go back to horizontal for you monitor folks back home. Because the stream crashed like 10 times, I'm probably just gonna compile the little videos and maybe put it on my second channel. Unfortunately, you can't highlight multiple clips on Twitch, at least not that I know of. the one viewer can say hi in the chat, that would be very helpful. So I can see if I can actually see the chat. No. Okay. Gotta enjoy these colors while it lasts. Like, look at that. That's pretty. Gotta enjoy that while it lasts. Cause this is all gonna be dead in a month. The hordes of winter. Winter is coming. But yeah, is it me or does this look better than my DSLR? Yo, sun is OP. This is crazy. This is crazy. It's getting chilly. Got my winter coat. My trusty Amazon winter coat. And let me crack my back. What should I do today? What day is it? I don't even know what day it is. What should I do today? I think I'm gonna go home. Oh yeah, I have some McDonald's waiting for me. I'm gonna eat my McDonald's. Oh man, my fries are probably cold. I just realized that. Damn it. Now they're bad. Okay. Probably gonna go home, gulp a liter of water, and then I'll play some Metaphor Fantasio and upload that to my second channel because I played it for an hour, but I never even got into combat yet, so it didn't do much. What are you gonna do?
Huh? Hey, baby boy, what are you gonna do? Hey, Frost.
He does not like me stopping the walk. So battery dies out super fast while streaming. I don't think data should be an issue, 'cause I'm pretty sure I have unlimited, but it should become slow after like 120 gigs, I think. But when I do the PC building stream, it should I should be using Wi-Fi, so it should be okay. How do IRL streamers do this? Do they like attach their phone to like their shoulder or something? I don't know. I guess I can imagine that, like, it'll be like on my shoulder and you guys could like see everything like that. But then how would I flip it to see the camera like this? I guess the camera would have to be like here. It's kind of awkwardly close. I don't want to buy a separate camera for IRL streaming. But hey, who am I kidding? I'm probably not going to be IRL streaming. I don't go anywhere. I just stay in my room. If I'm in a car on a trip, I'd rather not lose my phone battery doing this. This is the best part of the walk. This is the silly walk section. You are now entering the jurisdiction of silly walks. Commence silly walk immediately. So, once we cross this, we must silly walk. You are now leaving the jurisdiction of the silly walks. Enjoy the rest of the walk. Now we can go back to normal. Nice little Christmas trees here. I'm in a jungle. Oh, that's a nice shot. Hope you guys are enjoying this little walk with me. I know he is. Oh, can you zoom in? Oh, I can! Oh, that's cool. I can zoom. Well, that was a fail. I can zoom. I can't zoom in. Oh. I guess I can only do it here. Oh, I guess so. That's weird. Yeah, that's not working. Huh. Oh well. Well, that was my walk, everybody. Like, I hope you guys enjoyed this little IRL test stream. First IRL stream with Apex Ashan. Episode 0 of the life of Apex. And yeah, just testing out things before we do our PC building stream, which is, I don't know when, whenever Matt is available to help me build it. But yeah, that's basically it. Honestly, I'm pretty impressed with how this is going. I probably have to go home and check how the stream actually looks, but based off of what I'm seeing right now, it's pretty okay. It's pretty good. Like, when I'm looking at my phone, like, this is better resolution than my DSLR, and I'm not having any connection issues yet. I don't want to jinx it, because my last Let's Play I did, I said those exact words and the whole stream just died. So I think I have some bad luck with jinxing things. But right now it looks okay. Which I'm pretty impressed by, because I honestly thought the connection would just be so bad. You know, streaming on desktop, you have all these tech issues here and there, so I thought streaming off a phone would be 10 times worse. Why is there a truck there? What the heck? That's grass! But yeah, I'm quite impressed by this. I honestly, like, I never tried mobile streaming before, because I never even considered it to be viable. Like, I just thought it would be horrible quality, like 120p, and it would be constantly disconnecting. But from what I'm seeing right now, we have 30 frames per second, 4,000 kilobytes, and no issues yet. So I'm pretty happy with this. You know, I'm pretty surprised. Was not expecting this to be so well. Quite happy with this, honestly. I should have definitely tried this before. Should have definitely did some IRL streams in like Algonquin and LA. Probably would have been fun. But yeah, I just really underestimated the power of live streaming off of my phone. Still, I gotta check when I get home how good it looks, but I am seriously impressed that somehow this current stream is going on for 17 minutes with no interruptions, no issues, no lag, no disconnects. I'm genuinely quite happy with this. So, yeah. Power of phones, man. Quite powerful indeed. Alright, everyone, that is my IRL live stream. Sorry for the spam. Sorry for sending out those stream notifications like 5 times. I was trying to test things out, and it was disconnecting every time I left the app. Streamlabs doesn't, though. You know, I leave the app right now, go back to it, boom, still running. I leave the app. Let me go to like Discord, go back, let me go to Streamlabs, still running. This is great. So that was the live stream. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, you can say bye to my baby.
Frost, say bye bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye.
All right. All right, bye guys.